Hi, this is Ken from Homebrew Audio. If you follow Homebrew Audio stuff, you're probably interested in recording great sounding audio for your music, podcasts, voiceovers, or videos. And if you're doing those things, you may not have thought about it, but you're already several steps down the road to creating an online course. You may already have one. If you've been putting off getting a course out there or are not super thrilled with the one you may have already done, I have some excellent news. Hybrid Course University from Danny Iny and the folks at Miracy just opened for enrollment today, May 22nd, 2023. This program will teach you everything you need to know to start from scratch and end up with a successful online course. You get group coaching, a private one-on-one coach, and community support in Slack. This time around is the AI version, where Danny teaches you how to use ChatGPT, but the right way, to help you getting your course off the ground. Since the explosion of AI, the market's been flooded with cheap courses, entirely written by AI and plopped out there on the internet as an information-only course. And because there is no actual expert teacher, no ongoing engagement and support, these cheap courses are doomed to fail. AI can do some amazing things, but being the teacher and the true expert who can answer questions and help guide you so you actually learn the skills that are being taught, that is not one of them. HCU will show you how to use ChatGPT for the things that it can do well, to save you loads of time and work for tedious, repetitive type tasks, but also shows you how not to use AI. The result is a high-quality course that you deliver to your students to actually help them. Pretty sure there isn't a better program in 2023 to learn how to correctly and rapidly put together a successful online course than Hybrid Course University. Click the link in the description below to at least check it out and see what you'll get. Oh, and Danny is offering a pay what you can element to the pricing on this course. I think it's crazy, but he knows what he's doing. So go check out the details as soon as you can. The course is only open for a couple more days until Thursday, May 25th, 3 days from now.